Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. My name is Rob and today I will be explaining how you can start a YouTube channel without spending any money. Most of us today have smartphones that can shoot video and pictures, and most of the cameras on these smartphones are just as good as any camera out there. I'm currently using Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus to shoot pictures and video. I was using an S10 Plus before that. So that's what I use to shoot my videos. There's two apps I use to edit in. And I'll link the descriptions in the below. One is Video Guru, and I can't remember what the other one is off the top of my head. But you can just take your pictures and videos, link them together to make one big video. Unless you pay for it, there is a limit on how many photos and videos you can do. But you can get a good amount. Somewhere between 10 and 30, I think. I don't remember how many I tried to put together in a previous video before it got told me that I can't add anymore. But if you pay for the subscription, which is either $4.99 a month on both of them, or one-time payment of $12.99, that gives you a lot of extra features, one of them being unlimited photos and videos that you can put into a video. You just go into the app, create new project, and then you can link all your photos and videos and make one good video. However, if that's for Android, I don't know much about iPhones, and I'll be honest, I don't really know anything about iPhones. So you'd have to figure out a video editing app if you have an iPhone. These I know are, at least I can use them on Android. I think one for iPhone is iMovie that I've heard, but don't quote me on that. So at the end of the description, I'm going to show you a screenshot of those apps for you to look up, or at least link it in the description. Alright, so yeah, that's how I started my channel. I'm hoping to grow my channel and everything. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Have a good one.